Hello folks, let us see core Java content. In core Java, two courses are there. One is a basics, second one is advanced. Let us see the course content. Right from the scratch, downloading, installation, configuration, then from the Hello World development onwards. No need of knowing C or C++ or even Java before going through our core Java basics course. Right from the scratch, each and every concept programmatically. All these concepts are covered with a numerous examples. Anybody can able to understand. It can be non-computer science student. It can be below average student. All these concepts are explained with lot of examples. Practically, each and every concept I have explained. Every program, parallelly you can practice. Parallelly, you can practice. In the core Java basics, all essential things related to programming language basics and even object-oriented programming concepts. All object-oriented programming concepts and also language basics like a conditional statements and loops. All these 54 topics covered in the basics of core Java. You can see thousands together programs in the basics of core Java itself. All these programs are available. You can just download. You can keep using the same programs if you are not finding a time to compose. Let's move to the core Java advanced. From the wrapper classes onwards, we are considering advanced topics in the core Java. Wrapper classes, exception handling, assertions, please observe, enums, annotations, object class, static imports, inner classes, threads, collections, all different concepts related to collections, then file handling. Finally, JDK 1.8 features. JDK 1.8 features. Totally 71 concepts covering under core Java advanced. Lot of focus in every concept of core Java advanced. Let us go through once again. In the wrapper classes, very vast explanation including boxing and unboxing. In the exception handling, every information related to why exception handling, then try catch, try catches, try catch, finally Errors and exceptions checked, unchecked. Every information related to throws, throw. Finally, assertions. Then object class, every method equals hash code. Finalize. Get class method reflection API. Even clone information. Everything is covered under object class. Then enums basics and advanced annotations, static imports, inner classes. Why do we require? What are the different types of inner classes? Anonymous inner class, lambda expressions. Then completely threads related. The detailed information related to threads. Basics, complete synchronization, thread life cycle, accessories related to threads. These are very important. Lot of information you will be getting. Anybody can able to understand and prove out the threads. Then complete strings related. Please observe. All these comes under strings. Basics and very important methods in the strings. String buffer, formatters, regular expressions, date formatters, and number formatters. More than 150 examples covered in the strings itself. Lot more you can find. Come to the arrays. So every information related to array, every information, more than 50 examples you can see to understand the arrays. Then complete collection API. All the streams of collection API, please observe. Every stream of collection API. All these are collection API related only. Everybody can able to understand complete collection API. Then file handling, please observe. Serialization, deserialization, every information related to file handling. All these topics are related to file handling. Finally, JDK 1.8 features. From here onwards, all JDK 1.8 features, every feature in the detailed way I have covered, you can understand each and every feature. You can explore every feature. You can easily understand. Once you finish off both Core Java Basics, Core Java Advanced, you will be able to write any written test from the companies. Even you will be able to clear OCJP certificate. It was called as a SCJP earlier. So this certificate we can easily clear. Not only that, whatever interview questions are there in the core Java, all you can able to address very easily in the interviews. See, even with 5 years, 6 years experienced person also can able to handle core Java interviews with our content. So very vast content, thousands together programs are covered. Only the thing is more seriousness. All the programs also you can download and you can practice. You can speed up the learning by making use of same programs. Almost all the topics are having a programs whichever I have used in the explanation. So now there are some reductions going on. You can just check it out. You can buy the course before reduction is getting over, you can utilize this course. One more thing, just to go to learner sign up, please observe learner sign up, just first name, email, and password. You will be getting a mail to your mailbox. Check even in the spam also. Activate your mail account. Then click on learner login. Mention email ID and password. Once you enter email ID and password, then you can go to the dashboard. Let me show the dashboard. After login, you can see the dashboard. Click on the dashboard. In the dashboard, you can see my courses. Under my courses, you can see demo sessions for every course, not only for core Java. For all the courses, you can see demo classes. Under core Java basics, I provided for loop explanation and a super calling statement in the inheritance. You can see for loop itself 81 minutes explained. More than 50 examples, you can see the for loop itself. In the super calling statement, almost 1.5 hours, 90 minutes. Similarly, Core Java Advanced. In the Core Java Advanced, I provided threads basics for the demo purpose. 160 minutes, only basics of threads. Collection API for basic operations, 71 minutes. In the JDK 1.8, streams creation, 21 minutes. Please go through these demo sessions. Then, if you are very much interested, you can go for buying this course. Wish you all the very best. Thank you very much. See you in the course. Take care. Jai Hind.